At SHI's Data Center Factory, we're not just building servers and racks, we're forging the future of your digital infrastructure. It's a game changer for technology infrastructure. Every rack, every server, and every component is validated to work seamlessly together. We've mastered cooling and heat management modeling, so your systems run at peak performance. Time is everything. That's why we've optimized for rapid time to value. Your infrastructure isn't just built here, it's born ready to deliver results from day one. A global organization recently leveraged our factory's capabilities to roll out a new data center in record time, fully compliant with local regulations and ready to scale on demand. Our advanced customizations mean your unique needs aren't just met, they're anticipated and exceeded. Monitor every stage in real time, ensuring full transparency and control. Our agile project management keeps your project on track, while robust security measures keep your data safe. Backed by ISO 9001 quality assurance, every component meets the highest standards. Now, imagine that most ambitious project you've ever dreamed of, the one that seemed impossible. That impossible project? It's possible with SHI.